Hello everyone, I'm Babaljit Kaur, MSc IT student. Today I'm discussing about my learning experience in course Edit 605. In this course, I got many opportunity to learn a lot of new things about technology from Professor Lorian. It was a great time for me to experience so many new things. In the first day of my class, Professor Lorian asked us to write a selfie poem about ourselves. Actually, I did not write any poem before this, so this was a new experience for me and I enjoy it a lot. If I'm talking about the Pachikucha, then I found Pachikucha assignment very interesting as we all were unknown to each other. So through Pachikucha, we all came to know about each other's background and interests. So I think Pachikucha was the greatest platform for us to came to know about each other's. In Flipkart poetry, we had to select five random pictures and then wrote a poem about these pictures. It was a challenge for me, but I completed this challenge in half an hour. So I can say during this course, I found my inner poet to whom I never met before. In the refugee challenge, we had to make a product for the refugee by using recycled material. We were four members in our group, that is Sweetie, Rajwan, Anchal, and me. Firstly, we shared our ideas with each others and then we decided to make a multi-purpose box that will perform various functions. On that day, we covered so many core competencies like critical thinking, group work, social responsibility, etc. After making our product, we explored the project of other groups and came to know about their ideas behind making their projects. In this course, we covered a book that is Innovator's Mindset. I find this book is very interesting and valuable. This book reveal all the qualities that a innovator educator should have and also it offered the ways to make learning more innovative and effective. If I'm talking about the most interesting part of this course, then I can say it was old school, new school assignments. I did a lot of hard work for these ones. In this, we made three lesson plan that includes technology and additionally three more lessons that are without technology. So by planning these lessons, I came to know about the ways to teach the students with technology and without technology. In this course, we did a lot of fun during making assignments, and Tinkercad House is one of from them. In this course, I made a 3D Tinkercad house, and this was really a new technology for me. And I found that we can use this technique to make model for our students to teach them science subject with the most interesting ways. And if I'm talking about the stop motion, then I found this product very interesting and I spent a lot of time on it. I clicked near about 600 pictures to make this video and I did some drawing to cover some topic for this video. This was completely a new technology for me and I enjoy a lot. If I'm talking about the VideoScribe, then VideoScribe is one of the application to which I came to know about first time in this course. Actually, VideoScribe is a wide platform which offer to use audio as well as visual aids. In this video, I covered my inquiry questions. I used my own voice to make this. In the Flipgrid reflections, we had to record our own video about the reflection of work which we did in the last class. I post my video on the Flipgrid, and at here I can see videos of my all other classmates and I can comment on them. Spider's web assignment is one of the challenging assignment of this course. In this, we had to describe 8 educational applications for different grades and different subjects. Professor Lorian created an online web page for us to describe these applications. I covered all the essential information about the application, like for which age group that application is available, their availability for Android and iOS. Either we have to pay for this application or it is free for to use, and its pro and cons, and most interesting, how can we install this application on our mobile phone or computers. And ePortfolio is the new thing which I did in this course. I made a portfolio on Wix.com in which I shared all the information about my background and my learning outcomes in this course. In this course, Professor Lorian shared many ED Talk videos that are really helpful to make learning more effective and innovative, and I can say interesting. Through ED Talk, I came to know about Salman Khan, who run a educational app that is Khan Academy. In this course, I posted so many inquiry questions and reflection based on the learnings which I learned from my previous class. So I can say this course offers a lot of new opportunity for me to learn so many new things, and I thank to Professor Lorian to give me opportunity. Thank you so much.